Nobody tells a 15-year-old that today decides who they'll be at 30. That's not an opinion. That's just how time works. You've been taught how to solve for X. Nobody taught you how money actually works. And that gap? It's the reason most adults spend their whole lives tired, working, and still broke. Stay with me for the next 3 minutes, because after this, you'll never look at a dollar the same way again. Picture two 16-year-olds. Same school, same allowance. One buys the new sneakers the day they drop. The other quietly starts learning a skill online, alone, in his room, while everyone's out. Nothing looks different yet. But here's what nobody realizes. 5 years from now, one of them is still waiting for payday. The other one built something payday can't touch. Lesson 1. Comfort is expensive. That upgrade, that outfit, that I deserve this moment. It feels free in the moment. It's not. You're quietly borrowing from the person you'll become. Comfort now always sends the bill later. Lesson 2. Skills compound, money doesn't. You can lose cash in a week. But a skill built at 16 still pays you at 60. Most people figure this out at 40. That's 25 wasted years they'll never get back. Now here's the scary part. Your friend group is quietly spending your money for you. You ever notice you spend more the moment you're around certain people? That's not random. That's psychology. You don't just become who you hang around. You become how they spend. Lesson 4. Broke isn't a number in your account. It's a pattern in your head. Give that mindset more money later, and watch. It just makes the same mistake bigger and louder. Think about that for a second. Lesson 5. And this one's personal. Delayed gratification feels like losing today. Picture two futures. One version of you feels amazing tonight. The other feels bored tonight and unstoppable in 10 years. Lesson 6. Debt doesn't knock first. It slides in through buy now, pay later, through one small loan that felt harmless. Then you're 25, working just to pay off choices your 17-year-old self made in 6 seconds. Most people never fully recover from that mistake. Lesson 8. And this one should make you uncomfortable. Your income ceiling isn't set by your effort. It's set by what you secretly believe you deserve. Change the belief first. The evidence always follows. Lesson 9. You can rebuild your savings. You will never rebuild this age. Every hour you hand to mindless scrolling is an hour stolen from the one asset that pays you forever. Yourself. And lesson 10, the one I wish someone had grabbed me by the shoulders and said, wealth isn't having more. It's needing less while quietly building more. That single shift decides whether you work for money your whole life, or it eventually works for you. Right now, you're invisible to consequences. That won't last forever. The habits you're building silently today are the life you'll be living loudly at 30. So which one of these 10 actually stung? Tell me below. I read every comment. And if this rearranged something in your head, subscribe. There's more of this coming. Because your future isn't written later. It's being written right now, in the 5 minutes you spend after this video ends.